Judy Jeffery once dreaded this trip to the auto repair shop.
And the car is misbehaving again.
I know I'm a woman walking in, so I expect to be charged more probably. I expect to, in many cases, be not talked down to, but just you know nothing about what's going on here. So this is what you probably are going to need to do.
Yet here at Cowichan Auto, started by a woman, Elly Ruge, 3 years ago, to empower other women.
I thought, oh, there's something that can happen with this. There's a niche that can be filled.
Jeffery finds an entirely different experience when she runs into problems with her car that sometimes abruptly stops running.
You're sitting there idling with 27 people behind you, and it just stops.
Here, she meets the mechanic who will try to solve her problem and gets to explain what's happening like she says she's never had access to at other shops.
They're the one that's experiencing it. They're the one that drives it every day. It's a personal thing, so you got to listen to them.
Ruge knows that from her own experience and has crafted this Duncan shop to be as much about auto repair as it is about empowering women to feel right at home in this male-dominated auto field.
Because if you walk in like you own the place, you get service. So
from the female service writer who begins the repair process,
Cowichan Auto Repair, Julie speaking,
to the Women in Wheels workshops she offers to get women under their own hoods, Ruge is trying to change the way women approach her great love, cars.
it's happening.
If you can come and talk to Elly, it's so much easier because she understands.
And awards have followed. 3 recently, including 2019 Automotive Business of the Year from the Vancouver Island Business Excellence Awards.
I know, it's amazing. I didn't think at the time that it would take off, but I knew it was something special.
Ruge's next goal is to find a female Red Seal certified mechanic to join the team, as this little shop looks to make a big difference for Cowichan women and their cars.